As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road. Well, greetings and welcome to the View from the Road. It's a glorious weather day out here. Again, I know I always talk about the weather each week, but that's what matters when you're out on the road. We're due to hit the mid-70s today, and I'd believe it. I started the day with a jacket, of course, because it was a little bit of a chill, but things have definitely taken a turn for the amazing, and so it's just a great time to be out here. And we're doing what we do. It's the usual, business as usual, I guess is the best way of putting it, but it's a weird juxtaposition with what we do here as musicians and with school music programs. It's a lot of things are speeding up and winding down at the same time. Meaning the school year is starting to wind down. We're mid-April now, and we're going to be done here in the not-too-distant future. But as things start to wind down and wrap up, that's when things really start to speed up for the music programs, because you've got performances, you've got rehearsals, you've got everything that's coming at you now that is going to be the culmination of everything that's happened this year. So it's always a weird thing for musicians. Anyone that works in this kind of an industry, I certainly encountered that when I worked in catering, and as well as being a musician, that you tend to work and do stuff when other people are at play, because you're the entertainment, you're the performer, you're the one that's getting it all done. So it's always an odd thing to keep in mind that game time for you is rest time for other people. That's just something that's going to continue. And so anyway, we've got concerts coming up. There's a couple of tryouts left, not many. And if you're needing an instrument for next school year, you could certainly, as I've said before, go on the website and rent it there. But we're wrapping all of that stuff up, and then the performances are happening. And then obviously for repairs, the repair money has been allocated here for Thompson School District. We've got the POs, so and we're bringing in stuff now. And so if you've got instruments that need to come in and be repaired, let me know. I'll pick them up. I've been doing that again. A lot of the bigger instruments. That's really the cool thing about getting a large allocation all at once, is that the proper term is deferred maintenance. There have been some instruments that have not been as meticulously maintained as we would like them to be, and that as a result they're not in playable shape. We're talking like tubas, bari saxes, contrabass clarinets, just the big stuff that's always going to be expensive, especially if the maintenance hasn't happened along the way. Well, that's a great opportunity now with this repair money to get that stuff back in shape. I know a lot of schools are sharing instruments and borrowing across, and that's going to alleviate some of that stress and allow more instruments to be in the hands of kids, which again is always what we're after. So awesome seeing that. I think we've got a great plan in place for tracking the invoices, for submitting them to the people that need to get them, eliminate confusion, make things easier for everybody. We're investing our time in it at the front end of it to make sure that we're doing all of it correctly, so that as we track it and we do these repairs, we're not going to get caught with doing anything wrong. Really excited about it. I'm stoked that we have the opportunity to do this. So thank you for the opportunity. And then the other thing that's going on this week, as we know, is the Greeley Jazz Fest. That starts on Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we'll be there at the Performing Arts Center there in Greeley. It was a new building back in 2019 when we were there the last time we did this show, and we'll be there again in the entryway immediately to the right. We'll be there with our booth. Peter's got some great ideas for what we're going to do there. That's going to make it a really fun show. Can't wait to get out there and see everybody. If you haven't met Peter yet, you need to. He is such a fantastic expert on drums. Those of you who have been watching our videos know all of that. And we'll be there for the show, selling stuff and just talking up what we're doing, talking jazz, and hopefully getting to be a part of some really great music. So that is the View from the Road. As always, like, share, subscribe. Check out some of the other videos too on the channel if you haven't seen them yet, and we will see you next time. Thank you for riding along and seeing the View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.